Little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen, and today we're drawing a globe. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a globe, which is a map of the world. We're gonna need a pencil, a marker, and a plate. I'm using this plate that is round. Remember, it has to be something that it fits here in the paper and that you still have room in the sides. Let's start here putting the plate, and I'm gonna grab the pencil and I'm gonna trace around it, and this is gonna be part of the globe of the world. Now we're gonna trace one more time, and I'm gonna move my plate far away, and I'm leaving a space here. It's almost like a moon shape. And we're gonna do around one more time, just half of the circle. It looks like this. Now we're gonna move the plate one more time, and I'm leaving again some space here, but I'm gonna trace it fully. So this is gonna be the full circle, just like that. So I'm having one full circle and like a moon shape, and now I'm gonna erase the line on the middle. Okay, now we're gonna pass to the marker, and we're gonna trace the apple first that is sitting next to the globe. I wanna start here on the top part, and I'm gonna do kind of like a heart shape. I'm gonna do a curve that goes down, and from the middle, a curve that goes down. And now we're gonna do a little curve and another one. We're gonna put the stem and a little leaf. Now I'm crossing the lines of the pencil, and that's okay. Now let's finish the part of the globe. I'm gonna start here on the top where the lines join, and I'm gonna do a letter J, and it's gonna go like this, crossing the first circle and going up. I'm repeating that here. I wanna do here on the bottom a J shape. Okay. Now we're gonna join this part with this one, and I wanna touch the first line I did with the pencil. I wanna go down, and I'm touching the lines of the pencil, and I imagine I cross behind the apple, and I continue until I reach to the bottom. Now we're gonna leave a little bit of a space. We're gonna do a second little line, really short, and the same here up. And now we're gonna do these two lines with the line that I did with the pencil. This is the second line. Here we're passing behind the apple and connect here. Okay, now we're gonna have to trace the full circle, which is gonna be the globe. Okay, there it is. Now you can use a plate again if you want to. Just make sure that it's a plate the mom and dad are okay that you use, because it will stay in the plate with the marker. Now let's do the base of the globe, and we're gonna do here two lines, one and two curves. And around these lines we're gonna do an oval shape that is gonna go in behind the apple. It goes now out and around and connect again with the lines. Okay? Next, we're gonna do the faces of my characters. I wanna start here doing an oval shape. I'm doing an oval. I'm filling this with black. I'm leaving a space, and I'm doing another one with black. And now we're gonna cross here with a big smile. And I'm passing the marker twice just to make this smile a little bit thicker. Now I'm gonna do the same here for the apple. We're gonna do two oval shapes and a big smile. And I'm passing my marker twice, the same thing, just to make the line thicker. And there, that's it. We finished this globe with an apple. They're ready to go back to school. And now I'm just erasing the lines that I have left with the pencil. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my glove looks like with the colors and his little apple. They are so ready to go back to school. Remember, you can use this picture to give it to your teacher or a friend that you're gonna see now that you're going back to school. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!